Hi there! In this video I'm going to present you the store analytics in Zemers.com. So as you can see, here are the visitors, clicks, completed orders, everything. It's over here. You can see the days, last 90 days, the last 30 days, some statistics. We can also see here per product what it looks like. You can also see all the pricing, all the information that you want, and here have the columns if you want to select them to see all. Or to reset the filters, we can also export this table if you want so. And if you go to products, again, at a product section, you have here the statistics. All you need to do is go to settings and make sure you select all of this one. And now you can see all the stats over here, all the clicks, all the CTRs, all the apps, or all the sales order. Of course, this is just a demo preview. You can see everything in your account very, very easily. And if you go, for example, to a product, let's say this one, and go to manage or go to manage from here, you arrive at the product analytics and you can see the analytics per product right here. You can see the old time analytics, all the stats over here, per pricing option, and so on. So this will help you to make better decisions on what you have to do in order to increase your sales and what you should focus on in the future to grow your business. Thanks very much for watching. That's it. I hope you enjoy.